empty or just less. You've got 2 parking spaces down there. There is a shared septic tank, and you've got a lovely garden with a wall dividing you from the road, which takes you to Walpstow. As you can see, there's Willsey Down Forestry just up there, not far. If you've got a dog, it'd be a great place to walk it. And you've got the cattle market and the Willsey Down pub just over there. Let's head inside. Straight into the entrance hall here. Got the stairs taking you up there, kitchen, understairs cupboard and living room. Got window to the front and the door and windows to the back. Kitchen, modern grey kitchen with the hob and double oven, fan oven being included in the sale. There's space for your fridge freezer there. And downstairs loo. There's plumbing for a dishwasher and washing machine down there as well. The property is heated by air source central heating. Understairs cupboard. I'll take you upstairs. There's some marvellous views out the back here. I don't know if you can see, this is bedroom 1. And you can see the sea. There's a little peep of it just over there. And you can just see the countryside, Cornish countryside that's surrounding you. It's a good sized room, nice big bed and furniture in here. Across the landing to the bathroom, which does in fact match the kitchen with the grey cupboards. Shower over the bath, which is like a P shape. Then smaller bedroom. These guys use this as a dressing room and storage room. They don't need a 3rd bedroom. And this is bedroom 2, again at the back here, offering these fantastic countryside views. I'm going to take you back through the property now and just show you the rear garden. You can get a little glimpse as we go down. Nice window there on the landing where it's a little bit wobbly. Right, let's head off to the garden. So there's a paved patio area, lovely and sunny today. Paved patio area. There's the heat source, the air source heat pump. We've got a lovely mature hedge, which is your boundary to the fields beyond that we saw from upstairs. And then you've got this lovely big garden. This little shed there staying. You can see you've got a little grass area here and a gate to the parking area, which